I bought iRacing about a year ago, and so far it's been going really well. I've hit 3K iRating in both Formula and Road, and I'm steadily approaching 4K. Anyway, there are a few settings, features, and just general advice I wish I knew about when I first bought iRacing, which definitely would have helped me improve and fix a lot of issues I've had to deal with a lot sooner. If you're interested in signing up for iRacing, then use my referral code down below in the description to help support the channel at no extra cost to you. The first thing is planning out your season. iRacing puts out the full season schedule before the new season starts so that you can plan. iRacing usually releases the next season's schedule midway through week 13. Check out previous season schedules to see which tracks are used often. For example, Daytona is used in pretty much every single season for the A-License Insta series, so if you're planning on racing there and you only want to buy a couple pieces of content, then that's a good one to get. This is really useful as you can see which series you need to buy content for, or if you don't want to buy any content then you can see which series are using free content. The first feature on this video is the active reset point. This allows you to reset your car at any point on the track at full racing speed. This is super useful for practicing on long tracks like the Nürburgring or Le Mans, because it means you don't need to drive around the whole track again to practice a corner or sequence. For cars like the GTPs, it's really useful for practicing qualifying as you can reset at the final corner or straight and you don't need to reset and warm up your tyres every single time you want to practice a quali lap. This is definitely something I wish I knew about sooner, which would have made some of my practice sessions a lot more productive. This feature only works in offline test sessions. 3. The preferred network type. This is a really quick change, but for the most part stops you from lagging and disappearing for other cars. To change this, go to Settings, then Network, and change the network speed to 1 megabit a second or faster. This allows iRacing to use more internet connection to stop you from lagging. Obviously, you'll still need a fast connection. It may give you a warning saying that this can slow down your PC when running iRacing, but this is because iRacing implemented this feature when PCs weren't as powerful and never updated the text. 4. Trading paints. Trading paints is a third-party tool which allows your custom livery to be visible to all other players. Pretty much everybody uses this, but I only found out after 4 or 5 weeks on the software. You can download other liveries here as well if you don't like the default iRacing ones, as well as uploading your own if you want. You can choose if you want your paints to be available to download publicly or just for you. 5. The sporting code. This is something I think everybody who plays iRacing should read. A lot of people don't, and then they're confused or ask questions online when all of the answers they're looking for are in there. The only bits you really need to know are in section 3, 4, 6 and 8, and then if you're new to racing or sim racing in general, then also check out section 7. This should only take you about 15 minutes, but it will save you a lot of time in the future. There's other advice that I wish I knew about before playing iRacing, but these are my top 5 features and tools that I wish I knew about sooner. That's it for this video. I hope it helped some of you guys out. If you're interested in signing up for iRacing, then use my referral code down below to help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.